Next LAQ. This is also one of the LAQ. Third LAQ. Find the equation to the pair of lines joining the horizon to the point of intersection of the curve with the straight line, and also find the angle between them. First, this is a non-homogeneous equation. This non-homogeneous equation is converted into homogeneous equation. Up to that, this process is same for all LAQs. First, given curve is, I am taking the given curve. Here, given curve is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. This is equation 1. This equation is taken as 1. And given one more straight line. And given line is 3x minus y is equal to 2. This can be written as, this 2 is transferred this side, becomes 3x minus y 1 into 2. This can be, this 2 is transferred this side, becomes by 2 is equal to 1. This equation is taken as equation 2. Okay. Now this is a given equation. Given curve is a non-homogeneous equation. This non-homogeneous equation is converted into homogeneous equation. Okay. That is the next step. Homogenizing equation 1 with respect to equation 2. Homogenizing means, this equation is homogenizing means 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square is taken as this. Here power 2, here power 2, here power 2. Okay. Plus 2x into, here power is only 1. We are adding one more power. That can be 1 power 1 minus 4y into, here also we are adding one more power. 1 power 1. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. Minus 8 into, there is no extra term here. So there is no power. We are adding 1 power 2 only. Is equal to 0. Okay. But what is 1? 1 is equal to 3x minus y by 2. Substitute here in this problem. That implies 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 2x into 1 is equal to what now? 3x minus y by 2. Substitute here. 3x minus y by 2 minus 4y into y is 1 is equal to 3x minus y by 2. Substitute here. 3x minus y by 2 minus 8 into 1 is 3x minus y by 2. 3x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now take the simplification. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus, here 2 is a cancel. This 2 is a cancel. Then x into 3x is 3x square. X into 3x is 3x square plus into minus x into y is xy. Okay, after this step is clear. Now here 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 times. That is minus 2y into 3x. That is minus 2 3s are 6. X into y is xy. Plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6. X into y is xy. Minus into minus plus 2y into y. 2y into y is y square minus 8 into, denominator is 2 square is 4. Denominator is 4 into, numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square is here 3 whole square, that is 3x whole square is 9x square plus b square. B square is y square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 3s are 6, x into y is 6xy. 6xy whole divided by 4. Why? Because this 2 square is 4. Take it directly. Is equal to 0. Here also 4 ones are 4 2s are 2 times is cancelled. Now and the simplification, 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 3x square minus xy minus 6xy plus 2y square. This up to this is take it as is. Up to this is take it as is. This is 2 9s are plus into minus is minus 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 18 x square plus into minus is minus 2 into y square, that is 2y square minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12 x square is equal to 0. Now this is taken in order, that is x square terms, after that x square terms, after that y square terms. First x square terms. Here this is a 1x square, 7x square, here 1 more x square, here is 1 more x square. That is 7 plus 8, sorry 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 18, 10 minus 18 is minus 8, that is minus 8x square, minus 8x square. Next come to xy terms. I am underlining the tick the xy terms. This is one xy term. Here we have one more. Here is one xy term, and this is also one more xy term. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 6. Minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. Minus 11 plus 12. Minus 11 plus 12 is 1. That is 1xy. 1xy, 1 is no need of writing. Therefore, this is xy. This is xy. I repeat one more time. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 5. Minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. Minus 11 plus 12 is 1 only. 1xy. 1 into xy. 1 is no need of writing. I am writing xy directly. Remaining terms are 8 y square terms. This is the 1 y square term. Here we have 1 y square term. Next, here also one more is this minus 2y square. Okay. Here minus 2y square plus 2y square is a cancel. Minus 2y square plus 2y square is a cancel. Remaining is 8y square. So y square term is 8y square is equal to 0. Now this is a homogeneous equation. This non-homogeneous equation is converted into homogeneous equation. Up to this process is same for all these 7 relatives. Okay, next find the angle between them. We have the formula for finding angle. We have the formula, that is the cos theta is equal to something formula we are applying. First of all, this is a compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. That is compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is a homogeneous equation. Power 2, power 2, power 2. This is a homogeneous equation. Here x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient is minus 8. Therefore, a is equal to, we can write minus 8. And xy coefficient is 2h. Here xy coefficient is 1. So we can write 2h is equal to 1. After that, y square coefficient is b. Here y square coefficient is 8. So we can write b equal to 8. Okay. From this we get small a, 2h and b values. After that, find the angle between them means, let theta, I am making the angle between them is theta. So let theta is the angle between them. Let theta be the angle between them. Angle between lines. Okay, that implies we have the formula for finding angle, that is cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root over a minus b plus 2h whole square. 2h whole square. Okay, this is the cos theta formula. Already we have a, 2h and b values. Substitute all these values here. From that we get cos theta is equal to a plus b. A is equal to what? Minus 8 plus b is equal to what? Plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 by root over a minus b whole square. A minus b means minus 8 whole square. Minus 8 whole square plus 2h is equal to we get is 1 square. Here plus 8 minus 8 is cancelled. Plus 8 minus 8 is cancelled. Remaining is 0. 0 by something is 0. Therefore cos theta is equal to we get 0. Cos theta equal to we get 0. Therefore angle theta is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore angle between the lines is theta is equal to pi by 2. This is very important LQ. Actually I am giving the weightage mark. Up to this is we get 1 mark. For simplification we get, for writing 1, this is a 1 mark. For simplification we get 3 marks. For simplification is we get 3 marks. For the answer, for finding the angle we get 2 marks. Totally 7 marks. Okay, very important.